in regards to insurance purposes, what are some of the benefits for a homeowner and the reason why they should hire a professional photographer versus just doing it on their own for insurance purposes?
There's a lot of reasons to hire a professional. One, the time stamp it. Even though your phone does show date and time, our equipment archives it.
Okay.
It does a permanent archive that can hold up in court. So having that, also showing ownership. So sometimes we will actually have the owners in the images. So it separates you from the images.
Okay.
That's oftentimes needed. Another reason I would say is we also hold a copy of it. Okay. So if something happens to your copy, we have a backup. We have something that hasn't been altered. And again, that goes up to when you ever have to make a claim or should it go to litigation.
Okay.